Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving y'all a tutorial and a review on Superbwigs. So first thing first, straight out the box you get a wig, an elastic band for the wig, a wig cap, and here's the wig, y'all. No lie, I love this wig. And it came with light brown lace, but it still blended with somebody with light skin like flawlessly, I swear. Here's the wig straight out the pack. I really didn't get any shade, as you can see, and it really did kind of match up with my skin color good. But y'all, I'm gonna just let the wig talk for itself. So with this wig, it really doesn't need any customizing. You do not have to go in and bleach the knots or pluck it, really. I didn't do either, but I just wanted to show you guys in a regular state. And then this is how it looks once I'm gonna show y'all gonna see how it looked when I got ready to put it on there. I'm getting so tongue tied right now. Y'all, please don't mind my outfit right there. Like, as soon as I got out of school, I come in like straight and do hair. Y'all, we gotta wear scrubs. Mind y'all, it's freezing in the classroom, so I be having on like 2 or 3 layers of clothes under my scrubs. Like, it don't make no sense. So of course y'all know I'm not good with the ball caps. After you lay your ball cap down, you want to clean your clients or your forehead off with alcohol. And the reason why you want to remove all the glue. And after that, you want to adjust your straps or whatever. And this is how it looks, y'all, with no makeup or anything on the lace. So this wig is kind of good for people with lighter skin also. But you just be mindful, like, y'all don't go word for word. But this is really without any plucking, without bleach, so that's the wig in a natural state. Now I'm just gonna let y'all see the rest of the install. Lace tape is very optional for y'all installs, and I know y'all always ask me what do I use it for. First things first, I get it from the house store. Any house store should have it. Well, no, because mine always sold out now. But usually, a lot of house stores do have it. You can get different ones, but like the one I get come in like they got like blue paper on top of the tape. And the glue I'm using today is Goat Glue by Damian Flagler. I think I said that right. If I said it wrong, I'm so sorry. But anyway, back to the tape. The tape really helps protect your edges. And because you want to make sure you put at least an inch, like width-wise, of glue when you're getting ready to lay your wig. And it helps to be able to put the glue. It helps to be able to lay the glue without messing up your edges. Like, it really helped me because I was putting on my edges at first because I didn't know how to properly install wigs or properly take off wigs. So the tape really kind of helped me a lot, if y'all kind of get what I'm saying. I just don't know how to explain it. It's easy for me to say out and tell y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe.